MSNBC's justice correspondent Pete Williams is standing by. What's going on, Pete?
Well, the Supreme Court has just revealed that Justice Ruth Bader Ginsburg has had more treatment for cancer. And here's what we're just being told now by the court, that she had outpatient radiation treatment that began August 5th to treat a tumor on her pancreas. The court says that this abnormality was first detected after a routine blood test in early July, and a biopsy was performed in late July at Sloan Kettering and confirmed what the court describes as a localized malignant tumor. And as part of the treatment, a bile duct stent was placed. The court says she tolerated the treatment well. She had planned an annual summer visit to Santa Fe, but she canceled that trip, the court says, but has otherwise maintained an active schedule. The court says the tumor was treated definitively, and there's no evidence of disease elsewhere in the body. It says she will continue to have periodic blood tests and scans, and that no further treatment is needed at this time. Now, you may recall that Justice Ginsburg missed some time on the court after a fall after she fell down in her chambers last fall, which led to the discovery of some spots on her lung, and that she had cancer treatment for that, which required the removal of some portion of her lung. She missed for the first time in her career some time on the Supreme Court after a medical treatment, but otherwise finished up the term. And some of her colleagues have said that she seemed to do as well at the end of this past term as she did before the disease was even detected last year, that she seemed to recover and bounce back very well. She's had repeated bouts with cancer, with pancreatic cancer, lung cancer, and now this discovery that she had a tumor on her pancreas, was treated as an outpatient radiation therapy, what the court describes as a 3-week course of stereotactic ablative radiation therapy, but that she tolerated it well, had a bile duct stent placed, and otherwise has maintained an active schedule.
As you know better than anybody, Pete, any word about the health of Ruth Bader Ginsburg sends millions of Americans who are concerned about the direction of the court, the appointment of Neil Gorsuch and Brett Kavanaugh, into sometimes a bit of a frenzy or some medical issues of their own. Having said that, I think I want to emphasize what you said, that this has been treated definitively. That's what the statement says, correct?
Right.
And for Ruth Bader Ginsburg, who reached a whole new level of attention based on the documentary and all the video of her working out every day, certainly more than many of us work out, what does an active schedule for her look like?
Well, let's cut to the chase. What you're really asking is she going to step down? And I would say no. She has consistently said, as long as she is healthy enough to do the work, she will stay on the Supreme Court. So there's nothing in this statement that indicates that that's going to change her plans at all. It says that she has responded well, that no further treatment is needed. So it just looks like, at this point, from what we know, yet another case where Ruth Bader Ginsburg, because she is so careful with her health, because she gets so often health checkups, that these things are found and dealt with in an early way, she's going to continue to stay on the court. I can't see anything here that would lead me to believe that that will change her plans. She will absolutely stay. She has insisted, as long as she feels that she has the stamina to do the job.
Hey there, I'm Chris Hayes from MSNBC. Thanks for watching MSNBC on YouTube. If you want to keep up to date with the videos we're putting out, you can click subscribe just below me, or click over on this list to see lots of other great videos.